Hello guys, as you all know, coding is an upcoming language. So here I am Shreya. I will tell some techniques of coding. Here's my first video related to the topic drawing with loops. So let's start. Here it is showing that we can draw anything. So first we can make a square. So first we will move forward by 100 pixels and then turn right by 90 degrees. We can use the repeat block 4 times, or we can add move forward and turn right only three more times. So let's I have also set color. I have set colored red. So let's see. You all can see that it worked. Now let's come to activity 3. In activity 3 we have to make incomplete square. So first we will move forward by 100 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees, and again move forward by 100 pixels. So let's see if it works. It also worked. Now let's come to activity 4. There's no need to watch a video, so let's come to activity 5 now. Here also we have to just make a square. So we will move forward by 100 pixel, turn right by 90 degrees, and repeat it 4 times. Now activity 6. Activity 6 is a little bit different. First we have to make a triangle in it. So first we will move forward by 100 pixels and then turn left by 120 degrees, and we will repeat these two blocks 3 times. Now let's check if it works or not. You can see it worked very nicely. Now let's come to activity 7. So in this, first we will move forward but not by 100 pixel. It is showing that we have the long side is 150, so we will move forward by 150 pixels and then we will turn right by 45 degrees. Then we will move forward but not by 150. It is showing that short side is 75, so we will move forward by 75 pixels and then again we will turn right but by 90 pixels degrees. Then we will again move forward by 75 pixels and turn right by 45 degrees. We will repeat it 2 times. As you can see, it worked. Now let's come to activity 8. So in this we have to make a star. We just have to give 3 codes. First we will move forward by 200 pixels and turn right by 144 degrees, and we can repeat it 6 times. So now let's run it. You can see it worked. Now let's come to activity 9. Activity 9 is simple. We just have to first move forward by 50 pixels. Then we will turn right by 90 degrees. Then again we will move forward by 50 pixels and then we will turn left by 90 degrees, and we can use the repeat block 3 times. Now let's run this. You can see it worked. Now let's come to activity 10. Activity 10 is similar to it. We just have to change the repeat block to 6 times, and now let's run it. It also worked. Now let's come to the last but not the least, activity 11. So in this activity we have to estimate like by how many degrees we have to move, how many pixels. So first we will move forward by 80 pixels. So let's see if we have to move. Yes. Then we will turn right, but we have to check by how many degrees. I have inserted 45. Yes, it will be 45, and now we will use the repeat block 8 times. And now let's check if it works or not. You can see that it worked very nicely. So today's video is finished. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.